How to fix Roblox keyboard not working. So if you want to fix your Roblox keyword is not working, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Roblox application. After opening your Roblox, you need to go and just go with a game. Once you're on your game, and on your Roblox game, you just need simply go with your settings. If you press escape, then it will open up your settings. And under your settings, you will have movement mode. So make sure that it is set as default. After that, you need to just open up your task manager. Just right click on your taskbar and then you will have task manager. Just click on task manager. Once you go with task manager and here if you find the Roblox open, then you need to just right click on that Roblox and you need to go with end task. After ending the task of your Roblox, your problem might be fixed. The next solution is you need to right click on your Windows, and from your Windows you need to just go with device manager. After opening your device manager, you need to go with your keyboards, and under your keyboards you need to select the keyboard in which you're facing the problem, right click on it and then go with update driver. After updating your drivers, your problem might be fixed. Or if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to search for CMD and then run as administrator under command prompt. Go with yes, and here you need to enter a command which is dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and hit the enter. After that, your problem will be fixed. You can restart your device, and that's how you can fix your Roblox keyword not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.